you. Hi everyone, so we just got back. You might be asking, got back from where? The video we've been up before this one. So we went to drop my husband to the airport. He's going back to Nigeria. Yeah, it's a long time coming. So on our way coming back, we decided to branch at the grocery store to get some things that we'll be needing, especially for this kids school, things that we'll be using to go to school. Yeah, and my toiletries, everything, random things, you know. So let me unbox with you guys. Okay, this is the soap that I use. You guys, St. Ives. So this is the soap I'm using. My own has finished, so I got one. Yeah, I'll be dropping everything here. So this is egg. Mommy, this is egg. This is shampoo. Elvis. Okay, E-Vive shampoo and conditioner. This is for my toilet. You know this. If you don't know it, I don't know how to explain to you. Air freshener for my toilet too. Yeah, so I got a lot. Harpic for toilets, you know. Mouthwash, Colgate mouthwash, my toothpaste, Optic soap for my children. This is palm olive. Our detergent, battery. I don't know what they're using battery to. I don't know. I'll ask them. So I got this juice, Milo. They call it Milo here. Milo. So pack 12, pack 24 for school. And this one, Opa strawberry flavored milk. My children love this, so this is 24 also. All this thing here, biscuits, different kinds of biscuits. Is it what I'm going to bring in out? Cocoa more.
I don't like cocoa more.
Milo. I love to buy it like this, so you take one and go. If you buy the tea, what's low for you? All these are biscuits. This is what they used to take their tea. Everything is biscuit just for school. So this is it for today. It's time to go to bed because tomorrow is school. So it's time to go to bed because tomorrow is school. So we are done for today. I'll pack all this thing now. So I'll be packing all this thing here and we go to bed. The journey continues tomorrow. Oh my God, I don't know how I'm going to cope. Waking up to prepare the children for school, dropping them at school, picking them, going to shop or more. You go shop because my husband is my second hand. Like, he literally does everything, from waking them, from bathing them, from giving them food, from ironing their clothes. Now everything is on me, but we move regardless. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on my next one. Bye bye. Mwah. Hi guys, so one thing about me is that they don't have patience. I ordered something. I ordered a phone, what is it called? Phone pad for my kids' iPad, and it arrived today. My busybody husband don't go buy another one. Impatient. I told him to wait. This thing will come today. He went and buy it yesterday. Now the thing have arrived. See it. I'm eating now. Join me. Now the thing have arrived. I want to unbox it. Now move on. It's only the manner of things. Just see yourself. Let me know if it's what I ordered. This is too costly.
What is this for me? I will never see a phone.
Let me open it.
Me and Lala. No, me and.
I think I ordered two colors. Purple and the green. Or, I don't know. Actually, this is going to be the size of that phone now. Man, this is the purple. Let me open it up on one. Okay, blue.
I want blue.
And this is blue. Bring your phone, let me show it first. One that have fun, they can carry it like this. Wow. See the one my husband go out and buy. What is this one? This thing that looks like pepper. If the phone fall down, it will still break. Yes. So let's check.
Give me that one. How many more this one? This father.
Okay. Is the size. This is good. I love it. This is positive review. So guys, how do you see it? I love this one, very solid. They can buy it like this. So this is the second one. So let's check. This is the iPad. This is for my little baby Manuela. So let's check. Yes, I do not see your size. That's why the number. You go to township and check. Yeah, this is so good for children. They'll just carry it like this and be going their way.
I see, Mommy, you never showed them this thing.
What is this one used for?
It's that
Careful. Yeah?
I was trying to do movie TV for that thing. I don't know
For
how.
placing it like this, Abby.
Then after if you want to keep your phone, you do that.
What is this one used for? I'm trying to bring it out, please. Yeah. How are they bringing it out now?
Mommy, I bring it out.
Okay.
I bring it out. Wait.
Okay, this is it. It's like if you want to. Okay. If you want to place your phone like this,
Just leave it like that.
or just place your phone on the table. And you are good to go. This thing is so nice. I love it.
Then just leave
This
it.
thing is so nice.
Another part of it.
Yes.
I love it. This one is better. I love it.
My mom said she's going to get it on the township.
Yeah.
Can I remove it?
From China.